Reasons to perform pull-ups every day. The simple pull-up is commonly recognized as one of the most vital and effective exercises, from military training to regular workouts. When there are so many other back and bicep workouts to choose from, why do pull-ups? This important exercise engages multiple major muscles and, best of all, it can be done practically anywhere. Which muscles do pull-ups activate? Before you can understand why pull-ups are so important, you must first understand which muscles this exercise targets and how the pull-up's distinctive motion works many areas at once. The pull-up appears to be a movement dominated by the arms and shoulders at first glimpse. But, pull-ups focus on the latissimus dorsi, or lat, a back muscle that isn't frequently used in daily life. Because the lat is not easy to target, it is essential to include smart exercises in your training routine. As a result, you like the pull-up because it allows you to build an often overlooked muscle without sacrificing other body parts. Even while the lats do the majority of the work, stabilizer muscles in the arms and back are also crucial to completing each rep. The brachialis and brachioradialis, which work in tandem with the bicep, can also be targeted with a few quick pull-ups. Yes, a standard dumbbell or barbell curl can be used, but pull-ups go above and beyond and are easier to adapt. In reality, by making a few adjustments, such as shortening the distance between your hands, the pull-up may transform from a predominantly lat-focused workout to a bicep-focused one. If you do a lot of pull-ups, don't be shocked if your back and shoulders hurt the next day. These muscles aid the lats, but they may feel even more burned because they're typically overlooked. The lower and middle portions of the trapezius muscle are also worked, aiding with both the concentric, going up, and eccentric, going down, portions of the pull-up. The pectoral, or chest muscles, also assist with every pull-up. The pull-up should be your go-to movement if you're wanting to streamline your workout and need an exercise that will give your pecs a boost. You should have more appreciation for pull-ups now that you know how much they can do and which muscles they target. Despite the fact that many people have a basic understanding of the muscles that contribute to a successful pull-up, many fail to do this vital exercise on a regular basis. This apprehension may originate from a lack of understanding about the numerous ways that pull-ups can be used to improve strength, stamina, and overall appearance. Pull-ups train a lot of different muscles, and they can be modified to target specific areas when needed. The sheer strength necessary for a successful pull-up should not be underestimated. Rather than employing dumbbells or barbells, this exercise makes use of your complete body weight. When you complete a pull-up, all of your upper body muscles, including the lats, traps, deltoids, pecs, biceps, forearms, and triceps, work together to elevate your body over the bar. Few exercises are more thorough or effective than the pull-up if you want to work multiple muscles at once throughout your regular exercises. Simply changing a few fundamental factors of how the pull-up is performed can change the effect it has on your body. Using a close grip pull-up, the outer lats and biceps are targeted significantly more than the central section of the back. The wider grip is preferred if you want to build greater back depth in the middle, as it engages the traps and inner lats more efficiently. You can do a different style of pull-up every day by varying your grip position and width and leg positioning. The versatility and variety of the pull-up allow them to be done every day without ever becoming stale or boring. This variety is particularly advantageous because it allows you to keep doing pull-ups even if a single muscle becomes sore. If you feel your lats tightening from yesterday's pull-ups, alter your grip and add strength to the middle region of your back muscles, arms, or any other place you wish to strengthen. You can always improve your strength and endurance, no matter how often you do them or how much muscle you gain along the way, by simply increasing the number of reps or shifting your hand and body position. Pull-ups can be thrilling because of the rapid rate of improvement, especially when compared to traditional compound exercises, which may not see meaningful gains for several months. Even if you can only do 1 or 2 pull-ups initially, daily practice will help you to swiftly progress. Pull-ups not only help you progress quickly, but they also give you many options for achieving your end goal. Close grip pull-ups, for example, are easier for most individuals since the biceps and lats do the majority of the lifting. Meanwhile, if you use a broad grip, your lats will do practically all of the work. With this in mind, you can begin by doing close grip pull-ups and gradually widen the grip. While bodyweight-only pull-ups can be extremely effective, merely adding weight can result in significant increases. Other variations include performing the pull-ups faster, slower and more controlled, or using a pause at the top, bottom or anywhere in between. Keep count of the number of reps you do for different types of pull-ups. Overall, when you do this exercise every day, your pull-up performance will increase quickly across the board. Pull-ups are a great compound movement for your upper body in general, but they're especially beneficial for strengthening the back muscles. The lats will undoubtedly increase as you do more pull-ups, giving you a V-shaped physique that is both appealing and powerful. Pull-ups are one of the few bodyweight workouts that activate the middle and back of the delts, in addition to their lat building potential. These are the most challenging upper body muscles to develop when only calisthenic workouts are performed. You will grow round delts that properly complement your wide back by doing more pull-ups, especially the middle grip variety. Many trainees believe it is a waste of time to focus on their grip through isolated movements. Actuality, if you want to improve your deadlifts, back rows, and other pulling exercises, you'll need a strong grip. Pull-ups are a great approach to develop your grip while simultaneously strengthening your larger muscular groups. There aren't many exercises that you can do every day without triggering joint and tendon problems. Bodyweight exercises like pull-ups, chin-ups, crunches, and push-ups are exceptions. Pull-ups are distinguished by their movement style, as there is no traction to keep the body in place. The elbow and shoulder joints and tendons are the only ones that are active. They are triggered by a range of upper body exercises and can handle a lot of work. If you're prone to injury, you'll be relieved to learn that pull-ups may be done on a daily basis without risking tendinitis or serious joint damage. If you want to become a well-rounded athlete, you'll also want to improve explosiveness to go along with increases in strength. Pull-ups are especially beneficial to football and basketball players since they can provide explosiveness training. These activities necessitate quick reactions and proportional upper and lower body engagement. Most likely, your current fitness program includes slow motions like the bench press or shoulder press to strengthen the upper body. Pull-ups with explosive sets can help you strike a balance between strength and quick movement. Adding pull-ups to your training program, you'll quickly find that its advantages become more evident the more often you perform them. Isolating muscles moves are fantastic for molding your body into the aesthetic you want, but they won't help you much in the real world when you confront physically challenging situations. Pull-ups provide practical power that you can use outside of the gym, along with creating a gorgeous pair of biceps. Isolated exercises are okay to include in your workout, but if you want to have the strength to succeed in any situation, functional motions like pull-ups should make up the majority of your session. Another disadvantage of isolated area exercises? You'll need a lot more time to get the job done if you train each of these muscles independently. Pull-ups allow you to streamline your training so you don't have to spend time exercising different muscles that could be fired up at the same time. If you're having trouble finding time to go to the gym, the pull-up may be the greatest option for attaining the results you want. They require only a few pieces of gym equipment to complete, or you can even get a pull-up bar for the home. Even if you don't feel like heading to the gym, this small investment will allow you to perform your daily pull-ups with ease. If you want to completely avoid paying for a gym membership, committing to daily pull-ups will ensure that you continue to see benefits while working out at home. They are a vital exercise that should be in every athlete's training arsenal, for everything from developing an attractive V-shaped back to increasing strength and explosiveness. I hope that this has inspired you to incorporate pull-ups into your everyday workouts to improve your physique and performance. Use a fitness mirror to keep yourself visually engaged while working out, as you will be more focused and also more likely to want to repeat the experience.